So I'm a little frustrated because I ordered these basket clip. What are you doing?
Getting tips.
Oh, the organization is working out for you, huh?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator. And here on the channel, I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more, but really heavy on the home decor. Getting settled into my new space in Atlanta, Georgia has been quite the feat, but it's been so rewarding. Today I'm coming to you to share a pantry organization video, which has been long overdue. I just really wanted to take the time to figure out how I wanted to organize it and what products and materials I would use. In my previous Target video, I explained to you that Target had a great global basket collection that I wanted to use, and I actually am proud and so elated that I waited because the baskets did go on sale, allowing me to get all that I needed to complete this project. We're first gonna start out with going into the pantry, making an assessment to see what I have, what needs to go, and how I'll organize the space. Let's go ahead and start clearing out. Alright, we're all cleared out. Let's go ahead and get started. I love this part. So I'm a little frustrated because I ordered these basket clip-on labels from Amazon. They sent the wrong amount, and I would have been fine with these, but they sent the wrong amount. This product came in the wrong count. So anyway, I've already contacted them to get the correct one sent to me. Just a little frustrated because I'm gonna have to do an update to the pantry and show you once these have been shipped out, or the new ones have been received and placed on my baskets. All right, moving along. We progress. All right, y'all, and now it's time for the full pantry reveal. that's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in. You did not have to take the time to watch this video, but you did. And for that, I am truly grateful. Be sure to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back here in the next video. Bye! What are you doing?
Getting chips.
Oh, the organization is working out for you, huh?